Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix something went wrong on Google Play Store. If you are using Play Store and you are having an issue that something went wrong on your Play Store, so let's see how can you fix that issue. Now to fix that issue, first of all you have to check that if you are connected to a stable internet connection. Now to do that, you just have to scroll down and here you will get your network settings. You have to make sure that you are connected to any Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you must have to enable airplane mode and then briefly wait for 5 or 10 seconds. Then disable it. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Now you have to wait for your Wi-Fi until it connects. Once your Wi-Fi has been connected, so it might be that it will fix your issue. But if it doesn't, you just have to restart your Play Store application. And if you are still having the same issue, you must have to keep a long press on it. Then select App Info option, and here you must have to select Storage and Cache. And here you have to select Clear Cache. And once you have that, you have to reopen your Play Store app. But if you're still having the same issue, so you must have to make a restart your phone. Just scroll down and you will get the power option here. Simply tap on it, then tap on restart, and it will make a restart your phone. And after that, your all problem will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if something went wrong on your Play Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.